a 3rd and 14 situation.
Biggest play of the game for the Ravens offense. Flacco looking right, near side across his body with the throw. He's got Smith. Caught. 20-10. Smith breaks a tackle and he's in. Baltimore with its first lead on a stunning turn of events.
The Bengals knew it would happen. They said Flacco is at his best when he's extending plays and rolling out. He wants to go deep. He signaled for Steve Smith to take off running, and that's when he was able to separate in coverage against Adam Jones. And the determination to not only catch it, and then to shake off Jones to get it into the end zone, it's a testament to the 13-year veteran. Watch the play. And you're going to see he runs the route, breaks it off. See, right now he's covered. But then when he extends, look, he takes off. And Adam Jones drops coverage. And now he knows he's going to get caught. Look at the stiff arm. Fights him off. And he's going to walk in from there. Just a heady play by the 13-year veteran.